We're grilling again for supper tonight, y'all. I'm getting some potatoes ready. We're doing steaks and hot dogs and potatoes. I'm gonna make a street corn salad. So what I was gonna do is get the corn ready and put it on the grill, but that'll be a little while before I'll be able to make the corn salad. So I'm just gonna put the corn on a pan and stick it in the oven under the broiler, get some grill marks on it that way. Not really grill marks, but you know, just the charred look. Because for this corn salad, you don't really want the corn to be soft and mushy. You want it to still have that little bit of crunch to it. That's why it's good to just, you know, put it on the grill for a few minutes and it gets that char on the outside, but it's still crunchy. We can get kind of the same thing in the oven under the broiler. That way I can go ahead and make the corn salad and it'll be cool when we eat it with supper, because you want to eat it kind of cold. Oh yeah, and we're making some cream cheese stuffed peppers wrapped in bacon. This is like the grilling sides favorite snack. I love this street corn salad. We made street corn burgers a couple of summers ago. I think it was 2 summers ago. They were the best cheeseburgers ever. I know it sounds kind of weird that you would put corn on a cheeseburger, but they were great. And we made like a lime mayonnaise to go on the burger. That's kind of how I do this street corn salad. It's one of our favorites. The peppers are definitely one of our favorites. Grilled baked potatoes, one of our favorites. Watermelon. We still haven't got, I mean, we've gotten a few that were okay. Watermelons, you know, they were okay, but no great one yet. Have to wait a little bit further into summertime for that. So I've already got the oven on broil. It'll be ready for us. I'm just gonna put the corn on this full line pan and I'll spray it with just a little bit of olive oil and we'll put it in there for probably about 5 minutes and then I'll flip it, you know, roll them over a little and do it for 5 more. They're still getting the grill ready out there, so I'll have this corn salad done before they even start the steaks and hot dogs. I love when you get the corn that has the white and yellow corn on it. I love that. Not sure why, but it just makes me happy. See it? Isn't it pretty?
These are really good. It's been a while since we've made these.
Hey Mama, I found this and I get to have it. It's a little frog.
Oh yeah.
It ain't a real frog though.
These go really good with steak.
I'm starting to learn how to look.
Oh yeah, he's learning how to dribble basketball. Mm-hmm. I like using the spreadable cream cheese for these too. It's easier to deal with than the block, but you can, you know, just slice the block. I used to slice it into thin pieces and put that in. Now some people say they put lots of stuff in here, like you can put some more cheese mixed in with it and some bacon, you know.
Be good, yeah.
Really stuff them full of stuff.
After basketball, then we're going to play. These are outside games. Then we're going to play baseball. We are pirates. I don't do anything.
Gave me this genius tip a few years ago for getting the corn off the cob. Use a bundt pan and just put the pointy end right there And then you can just twist it around and shave that corn off. So now we'll just pour the corn in here. So we've got the corn, cilantro, serrano pepper, lime, and mayonnaise. I'm gonna start with just about that much. We'll mix it up and see how it looks. You can leave the cilantro out if you want to. I know a lot of people don't like it. It tastes funny to some people. Now we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lime juice, just half of this little lime. And we're gonna put just a tap of cayenne pepper, just a tap, like that, that's it. And that's the street corn salad right there. I'm gonna put the top on it and we'll put it in the refrigerator. And I've got all my stuff done before they've even started grilling out there. Let's taste this, Jonah, and see if it's good for everybody. Mm-hmm, great.
No, pepper.
No. Good. I got some new mosquito repellent to try. It says powered by nature, 100% natural, 0 mystery ingredients, personal insect repellent, continuous spray, super chillin' lemon mint. What's it smell like? It's not bad.
It smells like kind of peppermints.
Yeah, it smells like a lemon minty smell. I really like the smell. I mean, like, you know, I don't love the smell, but it's a lot better than other mosquito sprays, and it is not greasy. It kind of dries a little powdery almost. It doesn't make you feel greasy, which is what it says here, non-greasy. Smells awesome. Cooling and moisturizing. It is kind of cooling. We got these daisies. I got some pink ones and orange. We're gonna put the pink one right here on this side and put the orange ones over there.